If you're looking for an affordable electric trike, the Eskute T300 Pro is definitely one that's worth checking out. On paper, it offers a lot for the money, including a peak 1,200-watt motor, a removable 48-volt 20.8 Ah battery, up to 80 miles of claimed range, and a foldable frame for easier storage. Comfort is another highlight. The extra-wide seat with an adjustable backrest, fat tyres and stable three-wheel design make it appealing for seniors, commuters or anyone who values confidence over speed. The front and rear cargo baskets are also a nice bonus for groceries or everyday errands. That said, it's not perfect. Some owners mention the trike is quite heavy, making the folding feature less practical than it sounds. Others have reported issues with assembly instructions, quality control and customer support, so that's something to keep in mind before buying. Overall, if your priority is comfort, stability, and value, the Eskute T300 Pro is a solid option. Just be sure to buy with realistic expectations, especially if after-sales support is important to you.